Welcome one, welcome all. Just outside of the funhouse, I am Uncle Salty. This is episode 88, and it's playtime. On today's show, we are going to remove a beehive from the house. After a long, brutal winter, this is the first relatively nice day to go out and do a little bit of yard work, as well as remove a beehive that is attached to the house. And we'll see just what we can do momentarily. Now, a short little story before we get to this beehive. Back in, I don't actually remember the exact year, but I would say 1984, 85-ish. I was out in my yard batting a tennis ball around, and I hit the tennis ball into a brush pile and went to retrieve the tennis ball, and I can vividly remember reaching down for the tennis ball, grabbing it, and then feeling something pick my ankle, and I thought that maybe a stick had poked me. And instead, as I turned around and looked, it was a hornet's nest in the brush pile, and I could see all the hornets flying up out of the brush pile. And I ran back to the house, and I got stung multiple times. And it's a good thing that I was not allergic to bees and hornets, or it could have ended tragically. I was not allowed into the house, so I can remember being hosed off through the screen door, and yeah, that was an unpleasant memory, but just a fun little story. Now, let's get to that bee's nest on the house. And there it is. And it looks as though after the brutal winter, it's been torn apart quite a bit. But better safe than sorry, and let's get rid of that nest, so when spring and summer do finally return, there will be no bee's nest to contend with. Now, be patient. I've got to put on my protective yellow glove. Not that there's probably going to be any bees coming out of this nest, especially since it's still, it's about 44 degrees today, so but there still probably won't be any bees. Set this right here while I put the gloves on, and we'll climb up to the top of the ladder, and we will remove the nest. Once again, there probably won't be any bees or hornets or yellow jackets or whatever kind of a bee's nest this is up here, but better to be safe than sorry. So let's remove the nest. We'll get up here. We'll go one more step. This is probably not the safest thing to do. Climb a ladder with one hand. As you can see, the nest has been pretty destroyed from the brutal winter. Let's just get rid of this. And there it is. As you can see right there, there was another little nest that was being built. We'll do what we can to remove the entire nest. And I'll get rid of the remains at a different time. We don't need to have everyone watch me clean there. The beehive is removed, and to finish the job of getting rid of the nest, we're going to wander over to the fire pit. We'll see if we can light this up. May be difficult. We'll give it a shot. Maybe it won't be so difficult. That started up quite nicely. Thank you for watching the show today. If you enjoyed the show, hit the like button. Don't be afraid to subscribe to the channel. It's free. As always, have a pleasant evening and a wonderful tomorrow.